Today we're gonna make pumpkin sugar cookies. To get started on making our pumpkin sugar cookies, let's get all our ingredients ready. We have preheated the oven, 350, and I have some baking sheets with parchment paper ready to go. So I have here 2.5 cups of flour, and we're gonna add here all of our dry ingredients. So we have baking powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. I mean, all the great spices and smells of fall. Love using pumpkin as much as I can. So we have nutmeg, ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Oven just said it's ready for 350. So I'm gonna whisk that a little. Perfect. Dry ingredients are ready. Now, wet ingredients. We have 1/2 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna mix that together. So once you get that nice and creamy, now we're gonna add in our pumpkin puree. So 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. And we're gonna add in 1 egg. Mix that. So now we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now, slowly, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. So now we have all our ingredients combined here, and our cookies are ready, our dough's ready so that we can make our cookies. But to really have nice firm dough, we're gonna stick that in the fridge for about 30 minutes so that it can get nice and firm, and then we're gonna roll them into sugar cookies. So we had our pumpkin mixture in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so it's nice and firm. And then we have cinnamon and sugar. We're gonna roll our cookies into that before we bake them. So we have 1/4 cup of sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, mix that together. Now I'm gonna use this small ice cream scooper just because then you can evenly have them all around the same size. Roll that, roll it into the cinnamon and sugar, and then we're gonna place them right down here on our lined parchment, just flattening them out a little bit. There you go. Perfect. We rolled out exactly 24 cookies and we're gonna pop them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So we've taken these out of the oven. Look at these sugar cookies. They look great. Put them down here. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products. Mm.